This code is using the Python library turtle to draw a maze on the screen. The maze is represented as a list of strings, where 1 represents a wall and 0 represents a path that can be traversed. The maze also has a start point represented by the character S and an end point represented by the character E. The code first imports the turtle library and sets up a window with a black background and the title, Tiefensuche im Labyrinth, which translates to Depth First Search in the Labyrinth. The window is also set to be 1600 pixels wide and 900 pixels tall. Next, the code defines 3 classes, wall, green, and red. These classes represent the different types of objects that can be drawn on the screen, a white wall, a purple endpoint, and a red start point, respectively. Each class is a subclass of turtle and extends its functionality by defining an _init_method that sets the shape, color, and other properties of the object. The code then defines the maze as a list of strings and defines a function called paint_blob that takes a x and y coordinate and a blob object, either a wall, endpoint, or start point, as arguments. The function uses the x and y coordinates to calculate the screen coordinates for the object and then uses the goto method of the turtle library to move the object to that position. It then uses the stamp method to draw the object on the screen. Finally, the code defines a function called paint_maze that iterates through each character in the maze and calls the paint_blob function to draw the corresponding object on the screen. It also prints out the x and y coordinates of the start and end points of the maze.